Excellency, the wife of the President, ably represented, Your Excellency, the former Governor of Rivers State, and now the FCT Minister, His Excellency, Barrister Wike, Your Excellency, the former Governor of Katsina State, the former Speaker, House of Representatives, and now the Board Chairman, Debt Fund, the Pro-Chancellor and Chairman of Board of the University of Port Harcourt, the Vice Chancellor, the university community, and my guests from Adamawa State, members of the National Assembly. Good afternoon. Let me start by saying I'm honored to be here. Thankful to the Council, Senate, management, faculty, and students of the University of Port Harcourt. I'm particularly glad that this university, in its wisdom, found me worthy of this award at this time when it is celebrating its Golden Jubilee and 35th Combined Convocation Ceremony. 50 years of enlightenment, self-reliance, and commitment to fostering intellectual curiosity, academic excellence, and a vibrant campus community is indeed a mean feat. For this, I must congratulate the university and commend Port Harcourt City for housing this extreme citadel of knowledge and hatchery of great leaders and the trailblazers who have been resourceful to Nigeria and the world. In my early years, I have known Port Harcourt for its cosmopolitan mix and hospitality. Its strategic location, laying along the Boni River, confers on it the status of an oil-rich hub in the Niger Delta, where every serious player in the oil and gas business in Nigeria looks forward to having a piece of either or being a tenant or a landlord. Coincidentally, the oil and gas space happened to be where I first made my real fortune from as a young man, thus making Port Harcourt an integral part of me. My relationship with this city became internally cemented when my friend and brother, Barrister Wike, became the governor of Rivers State. In Wike, I found trust, confidence, and comradeship that makes me feel at home whenever I'm in this part of Nigeria. Again, I must thank the University of Port Harcourt for making this bond thicker by finding both Wike and I worthy of its doctorate on the same date. This is an honor that will not only be indelibly engraved in the records of the university, but in the collective history of our friendship and our respective states, Rivers and Adamawa. Pro-Chancellor, Vice-Chancellor, students, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, this is Uniport, a university solidly built on cosmopolitan blend and living true to the ideals of its founding fathers, with the eye to look for and find excellence beyond its geography. Today, I'm honored to share this space with other Nigerians beyond the Niger Delta because Uniport has been able to spot excellence as far as Adamawa State. What we are witnessing today is more than a celebration. It is the birth of a greater Nigeria we all desire. Let me share a story with you. Sometimes in the year 2021, when we started harvesting the fruits of our 11-point agenda in the governance of Adamawa State, a young man whom I appointed as a commissioner for information and strategy, impressed with our performance and agitated with the need to call the attention of the world to Adamawa State, accosted me with the need to blow our trumpet louder. He came handy with a budget for media and publicity. I look at the cost and ask, do we really need to spend this much to be noticed? How about deploy these resources and energy to building more schools and infrastructure for our people? Let's just concentrate on the work and be modest about it. Our people will be happier and the world will naturally come to know. I took this decision, cognizance of the power of modesty, because I am the governor and therefore in a better position to know the financial status of the state and how best to match resources with priorities. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I am not in any way downplaying the role of media in projecting achievement and governance public relations, but I feel it is a luxury best reserved for buoyant entities. For a state like Adamawa with modest resources, the best I could do is to place our priorities right. In essence, what has come to be known as the Fintiri magic in Adamawa is nothing short of understanding our position, targeting priorities and deploying our resources to critical areas of needs that corresponds with impact and modesty. We have been strategically doing this even at the expense of our personal comforts, and it is yielding results. Today, we have changed the narrative. Adamawa State has been transformed from one of the bottom 10 states in the Federation to one of the top 10 in development indices, from education, healthcare, rural development, and infrastructure. So if I say Uniport has eyes for excellence beyond its immediate boundaries, I honestly know what I mean. Considering the distance between Port Harcourt and Yola, and for the fact that we have been modest about how we carry ourselves as a government, this recognition and honor is truly a merited one and can only be carried by an institution who is widely and deliberately in search of distinction. While I accept this honor, I must congratulate fellow awardees, the wife of the Nigerian president, Senator Mrs. Mary Tinubu, ever represented, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Chief Wike, and my senior brother, Right Honorable Aminu Bello Masari, former governor of Katsina State, currently the chairman of the Tertiary Education Trust Fund. These are distinguished Nigerians of repute and undoubtedly deserving this honor. It is a great privilege to share this stage with these great leaders. For me, it is a badge I shall carry for the rest of my life with deserved pride. I dedicate it to my team, my friends, and the good people of my state. Thank you all and God bless.